All right, today we have these pliers, snap block number 607, I believe. Okay, they're pretty, I don't know what year these might be. It says Seymour and Son. It says Oakville, Connecticut, made in USA. Yeah, they're okay. They work fine. They line up properly. They actually look pretty vicious. There's a pretty severe bite there. The screw is a little bit tough to get out, just a little bit on the gunky side, get a little bit dirty. So we're not going to go crazy with these today. I think what we're going to do is we're simply going to clean them up a little bit. All right, so to clean these up a little bit, I think we're going to spray a little bit of lubricant on here. And then we're going to get our steel wool pad and we're just going to start to clean them up like this. I think we'll lubricate them and clean them at the same time. Okay, let's do the back side. All right, like I said, we're just cleaning them up, and hopefully, I see something here that's bothering me a little bit. It's this. This came from when it was first made. There's a little mark there. It's not a crack. It's just a little excess, like someone forgot to grind that off, and that's bothering me a little bit. But hopefully, it won't bother me too much that I don't want to overdo this. So I'll try to live with that. All right, we may have a change of plans here. Okay, this is bothering me. I think we're gonna have to take that off. And then there we have discoloration in some parts here. So, let's do a little bit more. Okay, so let's start by taking that off. Hey, that I don't like, so let's take that off. All right, and so here is the finished product, I guess. I didn't want to go this shiny, but once we started working on it, we saw that it had a few flaws here and there, so, but it turned out okay. Okay, now it's ready to be put into use. Yeah, I like the jaws. The jaws were nice and they're nice and clean now. And that's a grip. That is quite a grip. All right, so this was a fun project. I hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe you guys want to try it. I'm still learning it. It's a learning process. I'm enjoying it. All right, thanks for watching.